So that's it from Goa Diaries. Everybody has checked out. We have checked out. This is our safari for the airport.
Wait a minute.
Welcome back to another trip. We are all set to go to Goa, the school reunion, and off to Parasnath Mandir to pick up another friend of mine, Vikram. Ladies and gentlemen, we have boarded the bus for the plane to Goa. Indigo Street. This is the boarding pass. Bye bye Calcutta. This means that you're not going to. 2 hours later. Finally, after a long hassle, we got our prepaid taxi. भैया आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा संतोष.
Santosh ji here will take us to our destination. That is Chuchilim Mapusa. Why are you laughing? Yeah, that is where we are going.
रात भर गाड़ी चलाया. आज वो नहीं आया, दीपक नहीं आया. वो छुट्टी लिया है.
कोई बात नहीं, आप थोड़ा सा कॉफी पी लीजिएगा. हम लोग भी पी लेंगे आपके साथ कॉफी. नहीं तो अंकल
Muscle
relaxing. You need a muscle relaxing for what? I want a lot of medicine. I want so much of medicine. You eat that medicine, you will have nasha alag level ka. Now, currently at the Heritage Floresta, and I think whoever is sleeping right now, we are waking them up. Chal raha hai. We can't see. Oh yeah, we can see. What's up? Hey, this is the mirror. Unshaped power. Tomorrow. Good morning, people. Hello from Goa. This is day 2 from Goa. This is part 2 behind me, sabotaging my bag. This is Shayon. We are all setting up. We are all setting up for Goa adventures. Hey, fuck! This is Abhishek, aka Kana. This is Bad, aka Bad. Oh, sorry. This is Utshav, aka Bad. Say hello, bro.
Hi. Hello.
Welcome to the resort. Swimming pool here. That is uncle. Hello, uncle. Quite nice swimming pool here. So this is our first beach of Goa, Ashwem Beach. I cannot show you that side for privacy purposes. We are planning to go by to the Arambole beach here. You can see people surfing, People enjoying, chilling. Currently at the Ashwin beach, the beautiful beach, all the shacks behind me, the sea in front of me. So we are off to Arambole beach. Me and Matkaran behind us is Utsav and Abhishek. We are off to the beautiful beach of Arambole. Last beach of Arambole. So we have reached the Arambole bridge. Here comes the gang. Hey, say hi. The ice cream gang. I almost finished my ice cream. Which one will you choose? This one or this one? I will choose the red carpet. I don't want to fall inside the water. It's the end of the world there. It is pretty hot. Yeah. Good.
Good morning.
Oh, good morning. Good afternoon.
हमारे यार आपके पता है तो गुड मॉर्निंग सनबेट कर
छह लोग हाँ
Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall and I found a way to reconcile cause in my heart it's not burning fire. It's a bloody battlefield where some are down, others heal.
So we are currently taking a bath in the beach.
Do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I'm sad to say I'm sorry, so lie. Pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay. Keep trying for one day. I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide. Don't wanna live a lie. Too many lows, too many highs. Too many things to criticize. And so I leave it all behind. Don't wanna live a lie. Life kept spitting at my feet and forced me down a dead-end street when all I had went up in flames, burning only dark remains. I cover up every part of my skin, oh, cause I don't like the person within, oh. I know I'm the one to blame. All I can do is take the shame, oh. Do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I'm too sad to say I'm sorry, so lie and pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay. Keep trying for one day. Whoa, whoa. I'm sick of all these lies. of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. Oh no.
We're planning for diving right now. Ready? Everybody's ready? 1, 2, 3, start! Fuck, I almost lost it! I almost lost this GoPro. See this attachment? I almost lost my GoPro Hero 7. See this attachment? It opened. Fuck. 34,000. Worth 34,000. One of the first Hero 7s I got. I would have lost it today. I don't know how it opened. That was a nightmare.
Reconcile, 'cause in my heart it's not worthwhile. It's a bloody battlefield.
I hope you enjoyed the vlog. So that was it from day 1 of Goa Diaries. We enjoyed the night at Arambol. We had a gala time there as usual. Whatever we do in Goa stays in Goa. Hope to see you in our next vlog. Please like, share and comment. Subscribe to my channel Unshaved Baba. Cheers guys. Hasta la vista baby.